So, what's up, guys? What's up? I don't know if Nelson filmed the intro. I asked him to film the intro, but I don't think he did. So, he's laughing at me right now. Get together. Anyway, so I'm going to coerce Nelson to take me back to Queens. We are in Oceanside right now at European Auto. You know my guys over there, 3480C Hampton Road. I'm getting a spool fuel pump put on. High pressure, FX-150. This should be fun. You know why this is gonna be fun? Because now I have to find the stuff that you filmed and edit.
Video. Today's your video. Nelson's video.
I go home 10 o'clock. I woke up to be to work at 3.
Alright, so the appointment was 9:30. It's 12:30.
Mike's late.
Right? Always.
Mike's late.
Always.
By a couple hours, not a couple minutes.
Stock line compared to the lines that we're replacing it with. Look at that. Look at that. How we looking?
You don't have to do that.
Oh, I don't have to do them. Look that good. Look at that. Oh yeah, let me get up in there. Oh yeah, those are pretty good.
Yeah, they have a little carbon, but it's
There's
not
a
like
leaf
crazy.
in there.
If I
You think
show
should
you
get
like
the
the
leaf?
N50,
Let me get a leaf. It's hot.
you have a leaf with it?
Yeah, it's a little
got you.
leaf. I guess it. Ah, fuck, damn it! Ow, shit! Woo, that was hot. Tell me this is not like a 2JZ right now. Tell me like a 2J, just slanted, a slanted 2J.
It does, somewhat.
It looks like a, yo. Let me show you the spool. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the, oh my, yo, I think I might get the red calipers. You know why? On the red.
Nah.
They look nice.
No? Yellow.
Yeah, I'm like a Jamaican flag. Look like a Jamaican flag if I get yellow.
Really? Yeah. It's really yellow on fire.
This right here is the answer to all my problems. This is the answer to all my problems.
I think I got an intake.
Ready?
I think I got an intake for you.
I don't want that. I don't intake. I'm broke. How do you understand?
Cheap though.
No dinero. Es muy el
But it's for the car
poro.
though.
That's muy el poro.
Poro as
Okay.
is the fuel pump. So it goes right here. Look. Once you take off the intake, it's pretty much easy.
There's a
You gotta do the fuel lines as well, but that's pretty easy too.
I run an E.
Hmm?
You know, run an E.
Of course I'm gonna run an E, man. What you thought? Corn is the way of life, bro. What?
How bad is the carbon?
Like as far as like breaking up?
No, I mean like.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Thank God.
Yay. When you have a stuck PCB, it's just one.
My PCB's not being used.
Yeah. What he's doing now is ventilating to the atmosphere. So
Oh.
now, if you see like smoke coming out of there, that's a problem. That's meaning you have blow by.
Which means that piston rings.
Yes, sir.
Woo! You know what that means? It's coming right back. So sad. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I spent all this money on a turbo paint job and everything, and look at that zip tie. The zip tie is definitely right there. And you think this right here could be leaking?
Oh, that's good.
Nah, it's been like that. I don't know if you can tell. I taped it.
Okay. Man.
Just replace that one day.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let me. I don't think it's worth it either, but I'm gonna talk to her and see what she says. Used parts, some aftermarket. And he said it could creep up just a little bit from there if they find more things. Not including no paintwork, not including the crack.
Yeah. Have to take this one out with the one that they provide.
Let me ask you this though: is the stock one that bad, or it's better just to replace it because they provided it, right?
No, it's the E85 stuff.
Wait, so this stuff can't take E85? The stock can't hold E85?
It's like a straight mix now. A straight E85. Because you can take it, but it's gonna deteriorate with the time. Because this one is Teflon inside.
Oh, so what you telling me is mom's gonna blow up soon?
You running E85?
Yeah.
Like a straight E85?
Yeah. Well, I wasn't running straight 85. I was running the blend.
Oh. Yeah, this one is nylon inside.
Oh, nylon is. Look at this.
You can barely see it. See, like it's a little white inside. It's nylon. It's not rubber. That's nylon, rubber, and then the braid is steel.
The braid is steel. I like it. His fittings, I like it. So I thought he was. Oh. There you go. Now it's working.
Success.
All right, turn the car
Please
off.
wait 5 seconds and start car. Hit OK.
Turn it off.
It's a fucking piston by my face.
Oh no, that won't happen until we go on boost. Just press it one more time.
Press what?
The
Power button?
Yeah.
I mean, the start button?
Now turn it off again.
It's like cheat code.
Yeah, now start it up.
Ready?
Trying to go up the box.
Ready?
I seen it already. What's that?
Mike don't even worry. He don't even give a fuck. He's just sitting there yawning. It is what it is.
Worst has happened. Give it a rev?
Not yet.
Oh. Oh, it has to.
I gotta bleed it out. Make sure all the air's out the system first.
Yeah, that should be good though. Yeah, that should be good. See, this is how I talk to my tuner.
Oh shit. Now what? Just hit back and done?
Yeah, it should be done. Right, you see? Oh, you gonna put it in the manual mode? It runs. It feels good. Like it feels really smooth. No?
It's running good. You gonna take a look at this?
Yeah. It feels,
I can't look down and then look
and
over.
yeah, trust me, I know what you mean.
Oh, so it does rub a little.
No, it's that piece.
Oh, it's that
that bent. Yeah.
Oh. You never bent the back?
Nah, I never did. I'm gonna do it. It doesn't look that scary to me.
Is it giving me more? Is it giving?
Nah, it's still the same. It's like not. What you call it?
What's it asking for now?
5 something. It's
No
only the
boost.
same. Huh?
None. No boost. I'm floored right now. I think he has everything off.
Yeah.
He definitely does.
Today is a new day. My main goal of that video was to kind of sort of accomplish how easy it was to install. All you really have to do is take off the intake. I may actually do that in another video and I'll explain why. So here's how it went. I got the pump first, the de-unboxing on it, and I hit up Juan. Juan sent over the files And I scheduled a time with Gio. He's very busy, so I went ahead and waited to get the fuel pump installed. Had everything in order, all my ducks lined up in a row, except for the fact that I always show up late. Sorry, Gio. But so what ended up happening is we installed the pump. It's installed pretty smooth. The card, we checked for carbon buildup. The card didn't have a significant amount to warrant a walnut blast. And since I did the big boost turbo install, I disconnected the PCV to ventilate anyway, so it cannot possibly get any worse than what it is. Fast forward to the install, everything went fine, no hiccups. I went ahead and flashed it via boot mode with Juan's custom tune, fired it up. Everything was running pretty smooth. It took a little bit longer to start, and I just chalked that up to a being we need to run through the lines, wherever the case may be. Fired up, idle normal, and then almost instantly the idles rose up to about 1,000 RPM, and we got a drivetrain malfunction. Now, I assumed I just needed to send logs to Juan because these cars are very finicky and it will throw drivetrain malfunction. I have a big boost turbo on it, so I mean, you know, I just assumed. Go ahead, take the car out if you guys see it in the video. We're not getting any boost at all. We're checking the high pressure fuel pump PSI readings and we're not clearing 100. Target was 350, we're not even clearing 100. So, and for those who don't know, the target went up obviously as we put it in drive. We went ahead, I hit up Juan, and I'm talking like, you know, maybe it's a tuning issue. We pulled the codes. We got oxygen sensor code, which I'm assuming that's just because I have the catalyst downpipe. And then we got another code saying low fuel pressure. I'll put the exact code down there if I could find to remember it. And how I check my codes, or like the easiest way I try to get an understanding of it, if you go more in depth, I use a website called Bmwfault.codes. So I'll also put that down below. It's free. I'm not really promoting it. That's just what I use to get a better understanding of some of the codes that come up in my car, because a lot of these codes may say no description available as well. It's very, very much so informative, a lot more informative than me. So I'm going to try to explain this the best that I can. So we got something that said check the wiring harness. We checked the position of the fuel filter, everything. We're just not getting enough fuel. So to the point where it's like significantly worse than the stock high pressure fuel pump. We checked the wiring harness straight from the high pressure fuel pump to the DME. Everything was squared away with that as well. Juan got on the phone with Spool, me, and everything was squared away with the tuning. He sent a couple maps, nothing worked. So basically what we're chalking it up to is the actual high pressure fuel pump just may be faulty. Not 100% sure yet. Reached out to Spool. Spool is in fact sending over a new one so that we can install that and test it out. Hopefully it was a faulty fuel pump because Spool's already shipping it out. If it's not a faulty fuel pump, then I mean, we just don't know what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know you guys kill me. I know video this, that, and the third. It takes a long time. Super shout out to Gio and the guys at European Auto, because to be honest with you, they did the install, they did it properly, and my car was running funny. It was beyond it was beyond the times. Everybody wanted to go home, but they sat there and they're like, hey, listen, we're just not going to push you out, leave you on the street. We'll help you figure it out. So super shout out. I greatly appreciate it. You guys do not know how much I appreciate you guys over there. Happy birthday, G, by the way. But man, listen, you guys don't know how much I appreciate you guys. In a time where I'm supposed to be stressed out, pulling my hair out, you guys are right there helping me out and let me know that, you know, somebody got my back. So at the end of the day, thank you guys 100% for doing that. You guys didn't have to do that. Shout out to Juan and Spool. Everybody pretty much stayed up late to try to figure out what's going on. I called you guys like freaking 8, 9 o'clock. Thank you. Please excuse me for that as well, but thank you guys. That's all I can say for right now. I'm going to get up out of here. I'm limping this car, drivetrain malfunction, no boost, to give you guys this video. But yeah, so if it blows up in between now and you guys see the new pump going on, just know it's probably my fault. But yeah, the car idles really high, as you can tell. That's idling, and it's really surgy and like I say, jerky or whatever the case may be. So basically, maybe those might be symptoms to see if your high pressure fuel pump is going out. Might not be, but I'll get back to you guys when the pump is, in my hand and we're at the shop and it's getting installed. I might give you guys a more in-depth video of install, throw the camera on the tripod, let you guys see step by step. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I will definitely catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, guys.